Who is that?
This is me.
What do you want?
I'm doing a vlog. I'm coming to check my face and ask you if it's okay.
Come.
Hey guys.
You're I'm coming to check your face.
Hey.
What does your face do?
My member of vlog remove you. No one send me out to side.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Josephine here. If you're new here, thank you so much for passing by, and if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Okay, so yeah, you're welcome to my vlog, my very realistic weekly vlog that I'm trying my possible best to be consistent with. Okay, I just got back from work and I ordered something from Temu. Nothing serious, just some petty things. And I want to unbox it with you guys so that you see what I got. I was just scrolling through the app and I was like, let me just get one or two things. I actually wanted to get something for my iPad, and then I decided to add other things. So the first thing I got is this protector for my iPad. A pencil sketch film. Is this a protector or hey, these people? I don't want what you ordered versus what you got. Okay, so yeah, it looks like a protector. Let me open it and see. Oh my god. It's not a protector. It's a pencil sketch film. I'm already disappointed in the first thing I'm taking out of the package. I also decided to get a stylus pen. I'll turn it on and use it and see how it's going to work for my iPad. I decided to get a pink one because my iPad is pink and it came with a charger. I also got myself this USB adapter. So it has a USB how do you call the section? It has a USB plug. It has a USB plug. I think a memory card, the bigger one, the smaller one, a pin, a Type-C. I think this is also another USB. So yeah, I decided to get this. It might be useful to me later on, I don't know. But it was very affordable, so I was just like, let me pick it up and who knows, I definitely might use it. And I also decided to get this cover for my AirPods. I don't know how it's called. Let me check if the name is on the paper. There's no name, but I have problems putting my AirPods in my ear because they always fall off. So I saw this on Temu and I was like, maybe it's going to be helpful. Let me buy it and try using it for my AirPods to see if I'm going to be okay with it. Let me try it now. This is my AirPods. You see, it doesn't have any like support at this side to support it in your ear. So whenever I put it on, it just slips right back off. So I've been able to put it on it, and I have a good feeling about this, that this would, yeah, yes, this feels very, hey, wait, let me see. It's like it has become bigger in my ears. Ayeka. But I still think this would at least help in a way, but I just need to know how to place it right in my ears and all that. It's way better than before, but I'll also think of how to deal with this later. I also got these mini clips for like hair or something. I saw it, they were cute, and I decided to buy it. So maybe when I put on a wig or anything I want to clip, just small clips. Yeah. I also got this thing. I think it's used for nails application, to pick up the nail and all that. Because I mostly do my nails myself, I just always look out for something that's going to make me doing my nails very, very easy. So I saw this and I thought it would be helpful. So I'll try it out and see. And by the way, I have not been motivated to do my nails. I told you guys last week I'll be doing my nails on Saturday. I actually didn't do it. I decided to do it on Monday, but I got home and I was very tired, so I didn't do anything. And I even thought about letting my nails rest for now. So let's see. Maybe I'll do it within the week or not, or I'll leave it on for some time before I do it. Where is this? Oh, okay. I got this comb for my straightener. I'm just going to attach it to the straightener so that it makes it easy and it makes the hair comes out very, very nice. And is this how it is? There are no instructions on it. Hey, how am I going to use it? Wow. I'll figure that out. This is a protector for my camera, my iPad camera lens. Why does it look so small? I feel like it's not going to fit. I hope I chose right too. Let me see. Oh, okay, it will fit. Vim. And I also got these two nets. Oh, it doesn't come clipped in. Okay, well, I can do that. These two ponytail drawstring nets. I'm going to use them for ponytails. I've been roaming Makola. The other day I went to Makola. I was asking shop to shop. More ponytail nets maybe, so I had to order it from Temu. So I'll be using it for my ponytail later. I also got this oil applicator. I was quite intrigued when I saw this because it was like so cute and I feel like it's going to be very, very helpful. So I decided to get it. When you look at the picture of it, you won't know it's this small, but it's very tiny. So I got this oil applicator. So you put the oil in here and then it comes out from here. You massage it in your hair. I feel like it's a really great tool that I would definitely love to use. Try it out and see if it's going to work for me. This is how it looks like. Which one is this? Okay. The stylus pen came with extra tips, which I think is very thoughtful of them. I also got a bonnet. I think that's the last one. Yeah. Lastly, I got a bonnet. It's a teen bonnet. I just wanted something normal, nothing extra. So you just, let me see. Let me put it on and see. Exactly. Very comfortable. Okay. So yeah, those are the things I got from Temu. So far, the only thing I'm not happy about is the film or protector or whatever it was. I'll still use it, but I think I still need to get, is this thing a protector? Let me check. Because it states that it's just a film. I need to get an actual protector, but I'm going to use this for now and at least protect it from scratches and all that. That is it. I just got back from work. I don't know what I'm doing now. I think I have 1 or 2 hairs to make. If only I'm going to make them because I'm already feeling very, very lazy. I'm not going to lie. I'm feeling very lazy. I don't know if I should make the hair or I should just go exercise and take my shower and just come and cuddle in bed, watch movies. I don't know. I'm going to decide.
Kiki, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you. And I'm down for you always, baby. Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, You should let me love you. Let me be.
Good afternoon, guys. It's a beautiful sunny day and the sun is scorching very much. I'm headed to my friend's place. She's a fashion designer and we want to create some content for her brand with her new pieces. So I'm just going there to help her with the content creation, with video making and all that. I'm going along with some lighting. You guys know that lighting is very important when it comes to content creation. So I'm going along with some lights just to make the video more quality. And I'm just waiting for my ride now for it to come, and immediately it does, I'm just going to head over to her place. My ride is here, guys, so let's go. I think so, cause fast Spintex fine, so ever right. Okay. The contrast near high. Just focus on the dress pictures. Okay.
Okay, locations. I'm going to make all
Good evening, guys. So I just got back from my friend's place and I wanted to show you guys behind the scenes of the shoot, but I had to film with my phone and her phone was also having storage issues, so I wasn't even able to use her phone for like behind the scenes shots. So I wasn't able to give you guys any behind the scenes, but overall it was a successful shoot. I really enjoyed myself. I mean, it was nice seeing her after a long time. It's been long I saw her. It's always a vibe when I'm with her. She's always a vibe. So guys, I'm using tretinoin. I started using tretinoin. I want to see how it's going to transform my skin. And I think I started using it last week. Yeah. I saw a few videos on how to use it on TikTok. I don't use it more than 3 times on my face. And I make sure to apply it the sandwich method. So far, I love how it makes my skin glow, but I feel like it makes it too oily. I don't know. I don't want to quit using it. I want to wait to see if it's really going to do something for me, because you know, some people get to the peeling stage and all that and their skin becomes very nice. Mine, it's already becoming so glowy, so like oily, which I don't really like. I don't know, but I don't like it. I don't like it when my skin is very oily. So I applied my moisturizer first and I applied the tretinoin and I'm going back in with my moisturizer. That's the sandwich method. Well, that's how I learned how to use it, because it can dry out your skin or something like that. I don't know. Maybe I also need to get something to control the oil. It's not the entire fault of the tretinoin because I don't really use anything on my face. It's just the moisturizer and my sunscreen. That's all I use. And I'm adding the tretinoin now. So maybe I just need to get something to also control the oil and also my spots. So guys, I got myself chapter 2000 for my edges because a lot of people told me to use chapter 2000 to grow back my edges. But when I got it, you know, the chapter 2000, it's emushishi. But when I got this one, for some reason, I don't feel it. I don't feel that sensation when I apply it. So I did my own mixture. I went to buy aboniki because I know some people say it also grows hair. Aboniki or rob, I don't know. But I did that. I bought that and I mixed it with the chapter 2000. I created my own cream. So this is what I applied to my edges for like the past week. Every night before I go to bed. I want to do it for like a month or so. I take down these braids and then we'll see if it really did anything to my hairline or not. For some reason, I have high hopes in this. I really feel like it's going to work. I just have to be consistent. So I'm trying my best to be consistent so that if it doesn't work, I will know that it doesn't work. I won't be like, oh, I didn't know it doesn't work because I wasn't consistent. No. I want to try it, be so sure if this works or not. But yeah, that was it for today. We had a very productive day. The content creation went on well. I'm just going to have my tea, my green tea before I go to bed. And that's it for today. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, guys. It's Sunday and let's get ready for church. I already wore my dress or my outfit. I really love it. Let me just tie it. Hey. Okay. Who is that?
It's me.
What do you want?
I'll do your vlog. I'm coming to check my face and ask you if it's okay.
Come.
Hey guys.
You're today. I'm coming to check your face.
Hey.
What does your face do?
My member vlog the movie. No more than me outside.
Yes, I'm saying. Let's do a simple lip liner with lip gloss combo. I don't like the way my lashes are looking. I think I need to do them again, but maybe I'll just use it for one more week and then I'll change it. I'm going to use these two perfumes. This is the Camera and I don't know what this is called. It's written in Arabic. So both of them. The scent for the day. It's perfume. And that's it, guys. So that's my outfit and this is my purse. And I just have white. I have a white sandals on. Let me show you. Let me turn it and show you guys well. So white sandals with my purse and my outfit. Yay, we are ready for church. I usually don't like recording at church, but let's see how today goes. Maybe I'll try and record something from church. If not, you guys are going to see me after service, okay?
The word of God waiting activates the power of God. And he said, you do whatever you want to find a mere not to be the bar. It can shift the spiritual atmosphere. It's like, when you want that, what find a mere sanctuary again, one friend we are saying, it will shift the spiritual atmosphere. The
Good afternoon, guys. So I just got back from church. I'm very tired. I wish I can just lie down and sleep, but I can't because I have stuff to do. I have some wigs to make. I have editing to do, some wig stylings. I also need to study and all that. Like, yeah. So I'm actually going to get into it right now and see what I can do before the day ends. I'll try my possible best to do a lot. But I want to moisturize my hair and I don't know, but because of the Aboniki and chapter 2000 I use on my, just creating build-up on my edges. And I want to wash my braids next week. I don't want to wash it now because I want it to be like 2 weeks before I wash them. The wipe might help, but it's not going to take everything out. I think this side is way better than it was before. So let's do same to this side. Then I can go ahead to moisturize my hair. I think this should be okay. I'll go ahead to moisturize my hair, then I'll try and see if I can do other things.